In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suppress segments and profiles in Klaviyo. This is a crucial step if you need to ensure compliance with privacy guidelines or simply want to keep your email marketing list clean and focused. Let's begin with suppressing individual profiles. First, you will need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once logged in, navigate to the Audience tab. You'll find this at the top of your dashboard. Click on Profiles to access all the individual profiles listed within your account. If you need to target a specific profile, there's a handy search function where you can type the name, email, or phone number associated with that profile. This will direct you right to the profile you're interested in modifying. After locating the profile, click on it to open its detailed view. In the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Profile Actions. Click on this drop-down menu and you will see an option to suppress profile. Select it. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice, and after you do so, that profile will be added to your suppression list. Now, let's move on to suppressing segments. If you're working with a larger group of profiles, this section will be particularly useful. Start by logging into Klaviyo if you haven't done so already, and navigate to the Lists and Segments tab on your dashboard. Find the particular segment you wish to suppress. Click on it to bring up the segment details. In the segment view, you'll notice a Manage Segment button. Go ahead and click that, then choose Export Segment to CSV. This will let you create a CSV file of the profiles within that segment. Download this CSV file onto your computer. Now, we're moving on to the final steps. Go back to the Profiles section and select Suppressed Profiles. Here, you'll find an option to upload file. Click on that and choose the CSV file you just downloaded. After selecting your CSV, click Upload. This will now add all those profiles in the CSV to your suppression list, and that covers the entire process of suppressing both individual profiles and segments in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you're not just managing your audience more effectively, but you're also ensuring a higher standard of compliance and opting practices. Keeping an updated suppression list can prevent unnecessary emails from being sent, thus maintaining a cleaner and more efficient marketing list. Thank you for watching, and if you found these instructions helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this. See you in our next video.